Uh, Morning. We are in our elevation 393 vineyard. This is between our Merlot on this side, going down towards the river, and our Cabernet Franc going up towards the mountain. So yeah, we've had a really great season. The Merlot, although it's on a somewhat richer soil, it's still a little less growth. You can see quite clearly the difference between the growth in the Merlot. It's barely reaching the top wires, whilst the Cabernet Franc, it's going comfortably past. So again, like all our vineyards, we open up on the south side. We have quite exposed bunches on this side, and yeah, you can see the crop looks really light, really small berries, very small bunches. The stems are starting to ripen a little bit, which is good. The shoots as well are starting to lignify, which is also good. So we get proper ripeness. There's still the odd little thing. We'll come through during veraison and remove shoots like this. This you don't really want. There's not enough leaves for the bunch. Each bunch you want at least about 10 or 11 leaves to ripen a bunch. So we look at that sort of thing. And again, on this north facing side, we have a little more leaves to protect the bunches from the harsh afternoon sun. We also have the mulch down here, which helps conserve the moisture and reduce weeds. So yeah, it looks like harvest is still quite a way off. Really excited about this coming vintage, and it's going to be another hot day today, but hopefully a little bit of rain tomorrow, which will be great, especially for this Merlot. So looking forward to 2021.